What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Hollywood Jackson 5 and counting. And today we're gonna be doing a little vloggy vlog.
Hi. Hey, vlog.
That's my niece Denise. Hey, Angie.
Shall we go get the Dr. Pikey booty?
That's Berlin. Give me y'all Instagrams. 6.niece.
I don't have Instagram, but I have Snapchat, Angelicia MX.
TikTok.
TikTok, same.
My TikTok's the same.
Let me see. Let me turn my TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I go on a lot of TikToks. My name is Brooklyn. Count with the bean count.
Okay, Brooklyn.
Aww. And we go get that booty. We can do that.
Okay, we'll be back.
We'll be back, guys.
We got Sai and Maya. I meant Maya, yeah.
We already did the
Say hi to my vlogs. Y'all can say your Instagrams and your TikTok.
Say it, we already did. Pretty shy. Y'all are so shy.
Maya trying to be all shy, but she can get ghetto and ratchet.
Period.
We'll be back. Yeah. Oh, no it didn't. She's just sitting there looking at your purse. So we're just waiting on the Apple store to open. Well, going there for our appointment to get Miss Denise's phone crack fixed. Right. What you doing, Berlin? Look.
They were at the bookstore. They're right there. I got orange chicken with fried rice. And then I got this taro milk tea. We couldn't find a
Y'all lying because Denise, where she got her drink at, they got waters and they got juice. Right, Maya? Where you went at, Berlin? You went down? Are you throwing up signs? You eating fried sausage? Berlin, you eating, Berlin? Your french fries good. Are you alright, brother? What you eating, Angie? I said, what you eating, Angie? Sorry, yeah. She almost popped you, Angie. You alright, Denise? You got your little phone? Oh well, she'll be alright, y'all. It is packed in here.
I'm gonna get what Angela.
Oh, we got a pep. She got you. What you got, Brooklyn?
I got
my baby bought me a Coke.
I got boba.
What kind?
I got mango. It's so good.
What did you get to drink, Boston?
I get a
Sunny Delight.
I get orange shake and I got sugar in it.
Is it good, Berlin?
Yeah.
We still in the mall, y'all.
Y'all, it's so fun.
It is packed in here. My mom and them at T-Mobile because Denise couldn't get her phone to come on from the Apple store, so She had to get a new Sims card.
Is it disgusting?
It is packed up in here. Berlin say, what's up, YouTube?
Oh, I got spaghetti.
Here come my mama. So Denise, you back in business, girl? You excited? Like how many missed calls you got, girl? Did the president call you?
He